Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we go again out of the topic of airdrops. The last video that I did about the top 5 new projects that if you didn't see, you can check the link that is appearing right now. Had many comments that wanted me to start moving into some other topics, and because we are in this bull run right now, I think it's also important. Besides airdrop, which is the primary content of my YouTube channel, I will be doing another stuff. And today I start a series of videos that are going to be focused on very easy TA that if you don't have any information and if you are not a trader, you are going to understand and you are going to be able to apply also to know when to sell Bitcoin. I know this is a topic that many people is talking about, and of course as we pass the last all-time high, more people are going to do this kind of videos. But I'm not going to give you my opinion. I'm going to show you indicators that will help you to sell. So I want to leave out all the crap that YouTubers do about what they think that it's going to happen and just show you some facts of indicators that will help you. You use it together to sell in the top, because it's not a secret that it's easy to buy the bottom on Bitcoin and crypto markets that sell near the bottom, or at least at a good position. So again, if you are a trader, you probably know this indicator that I'm going to show you, but it's really under the radar. I think traders forget about this indicator, and I'm going to show you how they actually predicted all the tops of Bitcoin. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it. It's very simple. You will have the link to this chart and you will be able to see it time to time to know exactly when to sell. So this indicator historically been effective in picking out the timing of market cycle heights within 3 days. So that is very accurate. It uses two moving average, the 111-day moving average and a newly created multiple of the 350-day moving average, which you will find it as 350 DMA x2. You can put these two moving average in your trading view if you are a trader, but if not, with a link that I'm going to put in the post of my description, you are going to be able to see that chart live with the two moving averages, and you will see how they interact as the day passes. So for the past, when the 111 DMA moves up and crosses the 350 DMA multiplier, we see that it coincides with the price of Bitcoin peaking. It is also very interesting, and I think this is mind-blowing. You know I am a developer, so I love mathematical equations and are related to that. So it's really interesting to know that 350 divided 111 is 3.153, which is very close to pi, which is 3.142. In fact, it's the closest that we can get to pi dividing 350 by another whole number. So this again demonstrates the cycling nature of Bitcoin price action over long time frames. So now let's reveal what indicator is this one, and this is called the Pi Cycle Top Indicator. You are going to find it in lookintobitcoins.com, where you have many charts. One of those is this one. So here we have the two moving averages. So the chart is the Bitcoin price, and it's important that you understand that this chart is only applying to Bitcoin. It's not applied to the crypto market in general. It's not applied to Cardano or XRP. You cannot do that. Has been proven that it's working on Bitcoin right now. And of course, you cannot use it for scalping trading or trading in low frames, because this is an indicator that works with these two specific moving averages. So you will be using to catch these big cycles. So here you have the price action of Bitcoin since 2012. You can see here the orange one is the price 111 DMA. And this other line is the 350 DMA multiplied by 2. So let's go into each of the scenarios of this bull run and see how this interacted. So you can see here that in the bull run of 2013, catch it perfectly this top. So when the orange one crosses above the green one, that is when this indicator is calling for the top of the cycle. But it's important to notice that in this bull run, we have like a double all-time high, and you can see how this indicator after crossing bearish cross it again here bullish and also call it almost exactly the last peak. So this was one of the first important bull runs on Bitcoin. Hi crypto fans, I will be joining the Paris Blockchain Week from 9 to 11 of April. I will be 1 week there. So I want to invite you to join me there, and I contact the event. I get a discount coupon if you want to buy your tickets. The only thing that you need to do is go to tickets, select the ticket that you want to buy. Once you are in this page on the step 1, You can select again the ticket that you want to buy. Let's say that you want this ticket. Go down here, you can see that the total is 3,480 euros, and if you put my discount code that is in the description of this video, you are going to get a 15% discount. So copy the link here, click add discount, and you can see automatically you are saving more than 400 euros in your buy. Just follow the steps to complete the payment and you're done. I hope you enjoy me there. We can meet, we can participate on this amazing event together, and hope to see you there, community. We move forward to the bull run of 2017, where I was already here, but this indicator didn't exist. This was created on April 2019, so I know this indicator from that time, but you can see that also predicted here the top of the Bitcoin price almost exactly. Well, again, when the orange line crosses above the green one, that is when it's calling the top of the market. And I will be moving to the 2021 bull run, which many of you have been here. So you can see this is the 2021, where we saw this double top. Many people can argue that this was actually the top of the bull run at 69 and not this one at 64. But for this indicator, the call out was at the top of this first leg of the bull run. Anyways, if you have been selling there using this indicator, on December of 2002 you will look like a champ. But yeah, many people freak out, and I want to give you my experience because I was using this indicator and many others. I have been studying TA for more than 4 years, but the panic that you feel, and I remember seeing this chart and seeing this cross and saying, no, this time the bull run is different. I will not pay attention to this indicator. I think we are going higher. All YouTubers at that time were calling more than $150,000, $200,000 like today. So I didn't sell at this point. I sold based on another TA, a very reasonable good point at $45,000. Sold a lot of my positions. So I was able to go out of the market in a very good position and allow me to buy more on the dip. And again, for me, this dip of $16,000, it was easy to catch. It's easy to catch the bottoms that sell on the tops. The greed that you feel on those tops is more complicated to manage than the despair that you have when you see these lower prices. With this indicator, you can see that has been catching all the tops, but of course I will not use only this indicator. But based again in previous history, you can see how this indicator catches all the tops. So this time I am really going to pay attention. I have some alarms each month from June of 2024. 3 alarms in the month to check this indicator and sell at least a 25% of my portfolio. Even if this doesn't catch it exactly top, I am really sure that at least it's going to catch a very good position to start moving out of crypto. And right now you can see that these two indicators are actually not even close to cross, and you can see how the curvature has been going up. And of course we may see this cross if the Bitcoin price keeps pumping, which I hope doesn't happen yet. I want some consolidation about $60,000. I would like to have Bitcoin for a while at $60,000. But anyways, these two moving averages are going to continue the curvature to the upside. Again, nobody knows exactly price, but I would recommend you to keep this link, set yourself some alarms so you can check this indicator. And if it's your first bull run, you will see the adrenaline and the greed that you feel when you see that the cross happen and you are not willing to sell. So that is why I'm going to do this series of charts that I believe are very useful, that are easy to understand, and everyone can apply it and know when to sell near the top. Very important thing is that this is for Bitcoin. So if you are holding altcoins, the top of the bull run of Bitcoin is not the top of the altcoins. Usually around 2, 3, 4 or 5 weeks after, we have been seeing the tops on most of the altcoins. So like you know, the money flows from Bitcoin into Ethereum and then into altcoins and then into Zksync altcoins. This indicator is only to know the top of Bitcoin. So go into the description. The first link sends you to a post on my website where you can check all my subscriptions and also my videos. But you will see the link to this indicator and look into bitcoin.com. And please put your comments below if you like this kind of content, if you want me to do this TA on how to catch the top. I have many charts, and not only charts that could tell you when we are near the top of Bitcoin. And I am not saying to sell everything, but at least you can start to take your profits out. That will be all for this video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me in Twitter at CryptoCState. I am doing airdrops daily there, so if you want to see all my airdrops and actions that I do on airdrops, you can check the Twitter, and I share, of course, all the valuable information that I see in Twitter too. So follow me at CryptoCState there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.